Welcome to Essemtec, NanoDimension company here at IPC Apex Expo. Delighted to be joined by Bryce Timms. Nice to see you again, Bryce.
Nice to see you too, Trevor.
Okay, so it's been a busy week, but what have we got on the booth this week that's new that we can look at?
So lots of new things to show and talk about here. This is our flagship, the Essemtec flagship PCB assembly machine here that's configured with our paste jetting, pick and place, and dispensing technologies there.
Right.
So we're showcasing some new feeder technology this year. We have our 4x1 millimeter feeder as components are getting smaller and smaller. Tape sizes have gotten smaller, so we need to make sure we're able to handle that.
So this is the 4 millimeter tapes down here. They're holding what, 0201s?
01005s in that reel,
01005s,
but yes,
yeah.
that tape can be set up for 0201s as well.
Okay, interesting. And in fact, showing some of your feeder configuration, you've got one here, haven't you, that is showing how the tape is fed through.
The feed and rotation of the tape and some of the internal components and the internal workings there, motor location, showing the simplicity of service and maintenance, but the complexity of and robustness of the build here.
Right, okay, great. Now, of course, as I mentioned at the beginning of the interview, you are part of the NanoDimensions group, and so you integrate with some of these technologies. We've got a couple of samples here. I mean, this is a typical regular PCB board on FR4.
Correct.
And we have the same board, but actually in the 3D build-up edition that's made on the NanoDimension Dragonfly machine.
Correct. So this is, as you just mentioned, this came off our Dragonfly 4. So this is what we're calling AME, or additive manufacturing electronics. So we're assembling the circuit board here with paste and components live at the show in booth 3001. And then we have some functioning components and boards that we have built to show some demonstrations on here as well. So
right. Okay. That's
very exciting for us.
Good. Well, that platform continues to evolve as we go along. At the other side of the booth, you've also got another example of some 3D build-up materials that have been made by, I'm thinking it's another acquisition that NanoDimension made. Can you talk to us about that?
Correct. NanoDimension acquired two companies located out of the Netherlands, Additive and Formatec. And what you're seeing inside the sample cabinet over there are some ceramics, some composites, and some metals that have been 3D printed. Okay. So you can use a variety of different materials to do the build-up process. Correct.
Okay, excellent. Super. So anything else that we should be aware of, or anything coming down the pipe later in the year?
Well, there will be some more exciting announcements around May and then again in November this year. So stay in tune to see what we have coming up next.
I can't wait.
Thanks.
All right, Bryce. Thanks for coming in and talking to us today.
Thank you.
The Arch FX manufacturing platform. Processing over 1 trillion data points each month. Bringing value to every level of your organization. That's manufacturing insights for tomorrow.